In this video, how to create a vignette effect in Camtasia. Creating a vignette effect in Camtasia can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your videos by drawing the viewer's attention to a specific area while subtly darkening the periphery. This effect is often used to add a cinematic touch or focus on a particular subject within a frame. Navigate to the Visual Effects section in the left side panel. From the list of options, select the vignette effect, then apply this effect to the image or video. You can customize the vignette effect by clicking the Properties button on the right side interface. After making the necessary adjustments, preview your work to see the vignette effect on the video or image. Alternatively, you can create a vignette effect in Camtasia using the blur region effect. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.